Ever heard of Claude AI and wondered what the buzz is about? Today I am breaking it all down fast. This is what is Claude AI, a complete beginner guide. Let's go. Claude AI is a smart, helpful chatbot powered by artificial intelligence. Think of it like a super knowledgeable assistant that can write, summarize code, brainstorm and actually talk to you like a thoughtful human. Claude AI by Anthropic. That's the company behind it. Anthropic is an AI safety company founded by former OpenAI researchers. Their whole mission is build an AI that helpful, honest and harmless. So how Claude AI works? You type a question or a request and Claude AI used advanced language models to understand context and generate a safe detailed reply. It's trained on a massive amount of text and refined with something called constitutional AI, basically a set of principles that keep it ethical and reliable. Now the standout Claude AI features: exceptionally long context window. You can upload a whole book and it will remember everything. File uploads, PDF, image, codes and spreadsheet. Clear nouns writing that doesn't feel robotic, deep reasoning for complex tasks and strong safety guardrails. Big question: Claude AI versus ChatGPT. Who wins? ChatGPT feels more creative and widely integrated, while Claude AI shines in safety. If ChatGPT is a brilliant improviser, Claude AI is careful analyst, and many users now run both side by side. Is Claude AI free? Yes, you can use Claude AI for free with solid limits. For heavy users and access to the latest model, there is a paid Claude AI Pro model. But the free version is genuinely powerful for most daily tasks. Quick pros and cons. Pros: amazing context handling, ethical design, clear writing, great for professionals and students. Cons: no real-time internet browsing in most versions, slightly less plugin ecosystem than ChatGPT, and the free tiers has user scams. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more AI videos. Bye bye.